White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Alright guys, so after a dry brine, this is what you're working with. You can do this the night before, which is preferred, or you could do this about a half hour before you throw it on the smoker, and make sure that you give it that at least a 20-minute time to really soak in. Just let it sit out. That's perfectly fine. It's not long enough for the chicken to get warm, and then you throw it on the smoker. We're gonna go 225 until we reach about 130, 140, and then we're gonna crank her to 350 and get this nice and crispy. Let's get this on the Traeger. All right, barbecue fam, so we got these Cornish hens on. They're rocking at 225 on the Traeger, and today is just gonna be awesome because we're gonna experiment with these two Cornish hens. One we're gonna barbecue sauce at the end, and the other one we're not. But what we're gonna do is smoke them 225 until about 135, 140 internal on both of these hens. Then we're gonna crank this Traeger to 350, maybe even higher, and we're gonna start basting with butter. One's gonna get sauced at the end, one is not, and we're gonna decide which one is better. I'm having a feeling the one that doesn't get sauced will be better, but I also do love sauce on my poultry. So this will be interesting. I got some new barbecue sauces to try from Fireball Barbecue. Shout out to Yins in Pittsburgh. All my Pittsburgh people, go check out Fireball Barbecue. But we're gonna check out his sauces today. So shout out to Greg and shout out to Pittsburgh, because I'm a Philly boy, but I still love you, baby. Hit that follow, hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell. Let's jump into this. Let's go look at these chickens. Okay, they're hens, but they're still chickens. All right, so we're gonna check on these Cornish hens. We're gonna give them a spritz. You know the vibes. It's been about a half hour at 225. That is looking damn good. Let's hit it with a spritz. H2O, water only. So it's been about a half hour. We're about to go and check these Cornish hens, probe them, kind of see where they're at, and we'll go from there. I'm guessing they're probably somewhere around 100, 110 internal. I remember I said around 140. We're gonna crank these up and get them a little crispy. So let's go see what the temp is out there. Nice, let's get a probe on these. They're looking amazing. I usually probe right here. Looking at 103. Perfect. In about 20 degrees, 30 degrees, we're gonna crank these to 350, let them get crispy. But right now, let's let them keep getting smoky and hit them with a spritz. All right, guys, let's probe these. We're about 45 minutes into the cook. Right around 130. We'll give this another 10 minutes and we're gonna come out and crank this to 350 and hit these with a little bit of olive oil. Get them nice and crispy. All right, so we rolled for about an hour and 40 minutes at 225. We reached about 130, 135 internal on these Cornish hens. We just cranked it to 350 as you saw. Now it's time to hit these with some olive oil. So let's do it, get that crispy skin. Towards 145. We're gonna hit these with olive oil again. Hit them with olive oil again. Give them another 5 minutes. We'll come back and probe it again. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull these at 165 internal. We got them cranked at 350. They're rolling right now, they're getting crispy. We hit them with the olive oil. About to pull them off, and I'm gonna leave the one on there, glaze it with a little bit of barbecue sauce, and crank it to 250 for another 5 minutes just to kind of set that in a little more. Then we're gonna try both of them and figure out which one we like. So the next time you hear me, we'll be looking at some Cornish hens. Let's do the damn thing. Alright guys, that is the barbecue sauced Cornish hen, and that is the dry Cornish hen. We're about to hit it with the Style Strong, and of course a fork. We're gonna see what this is hitting for. Look at that. Perfection. The barbecue one is better, guys. I love the flavor. And it's also not as dry. This isn't really dry, but I'm saying that one's way more tender. Barbecue's the winner. So the barbecue chicken was much better. They're both great. I know I keep calling them chickens. They're Cornish hens. Let's take a look at both of them broken down. First the barbecue, and then the regular dry. And you can tell, nothing about this was dry. This entire board is covered in juices. Do this for your families. Make this like a personal thing. A Cornish hen for you and your wife, you and the kids. Break it down like this. You got wings, you got legs, you got chicken breast. Cornish hens are just younger chicken. Dig in.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.